Hello, if you are wondering if Call of Duty Warzone Mobile is supported on the Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro, then the answer is yes, you can actually play this game on Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. As you can see, I'm right now in Google Play Store. I can download the game, and if I finally download it and if I try to play it, I should have no issues at all with playing the game. Alright, there we go. We have downloaded the game, so let's press play. Okay, let's keep on. And as you can see, we can just proceed with everything. Of course, we have more download. All we need to do is now wait furthermore for the game to be downloaded. Alright, so I went through the installation process, and as you can see, the game runs just completely fine. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!